here?
I have a lot of Lightning McQueen toys.
A lot of Lightning McQueen toys?
Yeah, let's see.
Whoa, we got lightning over here with lots of toys inside.
Yeah, let's go punch it, kids.
Yeah, let's go punch the egg.
Yeah, look.
Whoa!
Wow, there's a lot of Lightning McQueen toys.
Wow, let's get them.
I wonder what's inside.
All right, let's get it.
Whoa, the giant meter.
Whoa, we got a huge mater.
Yeah, I can pull you.
Whoa, it can pull us.
Yeah, look, I can hook it.
Cool, let's go do it.
Yeah, let's go open it.
Whoa! He's pulling you.
I think it's a hook.
Whoa! Let's hook it up. Oh! Whoa! Whoa, he's pulling him! Ah! Oh no, he went on the grass.
I don't know what's inside.
Yeah, let's go see.
Whoa, it's a Lightning McQueen set.
Whoa, we got the new Disney Cars 3 Rusty's Racing Set.
And it comes with Lightning McQueen in the one car.
Whoa, there's an elevator and you could race them down the track. So cool, dude.
And race and you win the trophy.
Yeah.
Whee!
Whoa.
Let me practice it. And then he race, and then you hit him up.
Cool.
Then you practice again. I want to open this for me.
All right, let's go see what else we got. Cool! It's the new guy, Jackson Storm. Jackson Storm versus Lightning. On your marks, get set, go! Whoa! Oh no! Jackson crashed. Ah! Whoa! Whoa!
Yay!
Yeah, let's see what else we got. Ooh, I'm so excited.
Another controller car.
Cool, this time we got Lightning McQueen, but oh no, look at what happened to him. He crashed.
Yeah, look.
And he breaks apart. That's so cool. Oh, he crashed. We'll fix him up.
I'll fix you with Lightning McQueen. I'm broken.
Oh no, Lightning's broken.
Yeah, he's broken.
Oh! Oh! Oh no! Oh no, Lightning's all broken. Let's fix it, Joey. Oh no, here comes Jackson. Go see what else is inside. Wow, it's the Smash and Crash Derby from the new Cars movie.
And look at the back.
Whoa, you get to crash them all together.
And look, he's the police.
Ooh, it's a police car.
Yeah, he had to slow down.
These are all the cars waiting to crash and smash.
Yeah, chicken.
Let's do it. Wow, we launched him. Whoa. Lightning's turn. Oh. Woo. This is our demolition derby. Yeah. Oh, look at this ambulance. Whoa.
The police car.
Whoa.
He launched.
Come up. Whoa, look at him go. I'm gonna get you. Oh!
Let me queen, let me queen.
See what else we got, buddy?
Oh, this big let me queen.
Whoa, that's a huge lightning.
Oh.
Yeah. Whoa!
He did it! He almost... Look, the tires about to fall.
Oh no, he almost crashed.
Yay! Look, lightning frame Lego.
Cool! We got the new Cars 3 Lego set with Mac, Lightning, and who is this new car over here?
I don't know.
Let us know what this car's name is in the comments below.
Yeah.
Wow!
Yes, it's container on.
Oh, it's Mac!
Oh, my gas ran out. I gotta get some gas. There it is.
Whoa! Whoa! Time to go race, Lightning!
Yes. He does it. Oh, he did.
Oh, you did. Joey, are you excited to see what else we got?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go see, buddy. Show us what you got.
What's the car?
Whoa!
Clean.
Wow, we got another Lightning car. And wow, this one comes with tools and new wheels.
And I can pick the engine up.
Oh,
You can
cool. You can open his hood and see his engine.
And the screwdriver and let me clean.
Cool.
This opens up.
Wow, you can see his engine.
Got new view for him. And I got the screwdriver.
Yeah.
Bye. Thank you for watching, guys.
Yeah, guys, thank you for watching Joey's video.
Thumbs up for the video.
Yeah, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this video.
Keep talking.
Click that subscribe button to see more Joey videos.
Yeah.